Hi, I'm Liv. I'm here to tell you about this week's Friday Fabric Features collection. These fabrics will go live tomorrow at 10 a.m. Central Time on our website at thriftynotion.com. This week's theme is Summer Picnic. We've got kind of a strawberry color palette this week, so let's get started. This first fabric is a pin tuck taffeta, which means they did a little pin tuck grid on here. You can use the more kind of textured side, or the side kind of just looks quilted. So it's sort of up to you what you want to do. It is a taffeta, so it's got this very kind of stiff hand to it. Nice body full drape. So great for poof if you're looking to do something like a bolero jacket or something costumey. You can get a lot of body out of this. Also poofy skirts. It can also be used for home dec. Next up is a cute cotton canvas. This is super versatile. You can do things like shorts and pants out of it. Tote bags, home dec. It's cotton. It's good sturdy fabric. You can use it for all kinds of good things. Here's the drape. We'll wave it around at you. It's this cute little kind of gingham plaid. It is a printed on plaid, so the back side's just white. Very cute. Little overalls out of this would be adorable. Here is a cute little synthetic plaid. Again, it's printed. Whoa, no, it's not. I was wrong. It is woven in. It's a woven in plaid. And the backside doesn't have the pink and green in it. It's a little more neutral. So you could do some reversible or just use the other side too. It's almost two fabrics in one here. Very cute. Very durable. Just a nice, fun piece of fabric. You can also use this one for home dec. Here's another cute cotton canvas. Another printed on plaid. This one's a little thicker, a little chunkier. Again, bottom weight fabric. So skirts, shorts, overalls, pants. You could do tote bags, you could do home dec, all kinds of fun stuff. And it's cotton, so it's durable, biodegradable, all the good things. And it's a really cute, kind of sweet little print. Again, a pair of overalls out of this would be very cute, especially on those little toddling ones. Yet another coordinating piece of cotton. This is not quite canvas weight. It's a little bit lighter than that, more of a broadcloth, and it is yarn dyed, so there's some variation in the color that makes it kind of stripy. The yarns were dyed in a variegated pattern, which makes a really cool textured look to this fabric. It is a smooth fabric, but it's just got this nice kind of streaky stripe running through it. We don't have a ton of this one, but you could get something like a shirt dress, something a little more tailored out of this. Home dec is also an option. Also, you could do shorts, maybe not super fitted, just because they'd need a little room to breathe and not have too much strain put on the seams, but this is a cute, really sturdy cotton. It would also work for quilting if that's something you wanted to do. You could probably get backing for a throw size quilt out of this. We have one piece of silk shantung this week. It's just a solid color silk. It does have sort of slubby threads in it, and it has this stiff body, stiff hand to it. Things with poofy sleeves, also little crop tops, kind of inspired by the little crop tops that are worn in India with saris. Kind of a fitted cropped top would be super cute for summer with like trousers or like a high-waisted skirt. Very, very cute. Something to think about. Also tank tops, camisoles, those kinds of things. Or you could just do kind of a full gathered skirt out of this as well. It's also very bougie if you want to do home dec. All kinds of possibilities with this one.
Hey everybody, Kelly here. I was just editing this video and realized that we had a bit of a miscommunication about this fabric, so I'm here to tell you about it. It is a gorgeous sage green and off-white striped silk taffeta. So it's 100% silk. It is a lighter weight taffeta, so it's not overly stiff, but it will hold a nice like puff sleeve or make really nice gathers on a skirt if you wanted to make something like a dress or skirt out of it. It would work well for the things that Liv mentioned with that other silk fabric, like little crop tops or bustier tops. It would also make gorgeous, really lovely home decor accents. You can make throw pillows, drapes, anything like that. I will say most silk fabrics will soften a little bit with washing, so if you chose to wash this fabric, it may soften and it may not be quite as stiff as it is now. And as I mentioned, it's not overly stiff, but it does have some body and hold to it. So just keep that in mind, and overall it would work well for tons of different applications, and it's just a really gorgeous summery stripe.
Okay, we have a little piece of this and it's super pretty. So this is a wool silk blend. It feels amazing. It's in this kind of herringbone weave with these cute little pastel stripes in it. So soft. It feels amazing. So it has the smell of burning hair, which is how we know it's either wool or silk. The drape, the hand lead us to believe that it's mostly silk, though there may be a little bit of wool blended into this. If not, it's maybe cotton. It's kind of a mystery fabric, but we know it's entirely natural fiber. It's not melting. There's no plastic in this, and it just feels amazing. So it's suiting, but not wool suiting necessarily. If there's wool in there, it's tiny amount. So trousers, you could maybe get trousers out of this. There's not very much. Definitely you could get a skirt out of it or something like a short jacket. Really, really pretty fabric. Nice drape, kind of a medium weight. It is just a little, it's not sheer up to the light, but you can see light through it. We love this one. I wish there was more of it, but there's just really enough for one person. This one's called By the Lake. I have been failing to give the names of all of the fabrics, so they will be in a little banner above my head or somewhere on the screen. This pretty pink fabric is a faux linen. It's a linen look, synthetic, really nice drape, pretty light weave. It's pretty sheer up to the light. There's really only enough here for one person. It's 2.5 yards. This one's called In the Garden. Lovely pink color. You could get something like a cute little skirt out of this, or even just like a cute little cafe curtain would be actually very, very cute. Cute. It's so cute. It would be a lovely and aesthetically pleasing cafe curtain. You could add a little lace or whatever. We like this one. The color's just really cute. If you lined it, you could make something like slacks or a more fitted skirt. It is fairly sheer, so you'll probably want to line it. All right, then we have this pretty spring green printed satin. It has little baby leaves printed on it. So cute. Things like little poofy dresses. Excellent for twirly dresses with poofy sleeves. All of your princessy needs. Actually, a Princess and the Frog dress would be, this is a good color for that, actually. If you need to have a little Tiana in your life, or if there's a little Tiana in your life that is demanding a dress, here you go. This is just a synthetic satin, great for linings, dresses, all of the fancy things. Lovely drape on this, nice and shiny and fun. And that is our final fabric for the week. Happy sewing!